Good afternoon.
Good afternoon too.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Ma'am, I'm so fine. May I help you?
Yes, thank you. I would like to see that shirt, please.
Which one, sir?
The green one next, that blue shirt.
Here you are.
What size it?
It's medium.
That's my size, but it looks small. May I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room's on your right. How does this fit?
I think it's too try. May I try a large, please?
I am sorry, I don't have a green one or that size. How about this red one?
Okay, I will try that. I like that color too. Yes, this is perfect. I will take it. How much is it?
It's $30. Is it on cash?
Yes, cash.
Anything else?
No, thank you.